Finally, I'm here in Xinjiang, in the place that I was dreaming to visit since such a long time. I'm finally here in front of Kashgaре ancient town. And I'm so happy to be here in such a blend of culture and 2,000 years of history. Come with me. Can you already hear all the music? I'm currently here in front of the incredible door, the ancient city of Kashgare, as you can see behind me. And as you can see, there are so many people already, and they're waiting for the opening ceremony. And here I am, finally entering Itkar Mosque. As all Muslim, of course, they're praying facing Mecca. It's also open to visitors nowadays. So not only for praying, but also visitors are coming, witnessing such a historical and religious place that is very important for Kashgaре. Wow! Isn't it the same? Right? It's amazing dress. And my outfit is done. And now they're going to put my makeup on. Wow, look at my outfit. Oh my God, I love it. I feel like I'm a princess. And now, since I'm Italian and I need coffee 24/7, I'm going to have a beautiful cappuccino because it's still not noon. Oh my God. I'm here in Xinjiang, Kashgare, next to a beautiful tiramisu. Oh my God, I can feel all the saffron, a blend with coffee, saffron. It has the best smell. It's not bad at all. Oh my God. I really love magnets and I always bring a magnet to my mom and my family back in Italy. This is actually pasta, so Xinjiang pasta. I mean, I'm having spaghetti right now, and I feel like I'm in Italy. I had first cappuccino, then tiramisu, and now spaghetti. Buonissimo, special house. Yasemin, this is my song. She's saying Yasemin. Wow, what a place. It's such a blend of culture and it's really, you can see that it's in the Silk Road and it was always such an important hub. I love the different type of tea. We have roses, goji, and we also have the fruit and daisy. Guess this tea? Well, actually this is saffron rose tea. Oh my God. It's better than what I imagined.
We're good. Italia. Mamma Italia. Baba Almania. Rahmat. I'm traveling for these kind of experiences. I love the places. I love the beautiful sceneries. But these moments are priceless. Look at this. Do you see all these colors? This technique is actually called Atlas and is Kashgare made. It's incredible Uyghur lady. She's showing me how to actually do this technique. What a wonderful night. This reminds me of so many travels that I did. And this really showed the blend of culture, the heritage of such a rich, different people coming through here to Kashgare. And also, can I tell you something? This reminds me also of pizza because I mean, I'm Italian and everything round and good reminds me of pizza, of course. Welcome to
Kashgare.
And this is Kashgare Pizza. Yeah! And here is the museum. Woo! For me, that my heritage is linked with Marco Polo, being Italian myself. This place is actually very special. I've always
wanted to visit. Actually, I'm sure that is one of the most incredible places on earth to visit.
This dress is a Chinese Song Dynasty Kosi robe with an open collar and narrow long sleeves. It has the design characteristic of Xinjiang clothing. The decoration of the whole dress is a flower and grass pattern woven by Kosi, which is so fine and symmetrical. The craftsmanship is really very complex and exquisite. This is my favorite food ever! I love it! I'm here at Kashgaре night market, and what can I say?
Oh my God! One of my favorite drinks ever. Pomegranate juice!
叫什么这个 ？Gelato， gelato， 非常好。
意大利好还是西藏好？
都好，
都好。
对，对吧？
对。
我们都好。What a wonderful day that I spent in Kashgaре. You know what? I feel a different person right now because I feel that I witnessed so many new things. I spoke with so many people. I ate new food. It was really an eye-opening experience for me. I'm really happy and grateful. But what I'm really grateful for is that tomorrow I'm doing an incredible road trip to Kashgaре County. And I'm going to bring you with me in this road trip. And we're going to see incredible sceneries. I really cannot wait.
This place is just incredible. And look, there are so many yachts and the lake is wonderful. The best color, and I really recommend everyone to visit here in Xinjiang, this lake. It's the best place I've ever seen in my life. Look how beautiful. And look at the sand. It's actually a white sand, and this is the lake that you can see the color. The only thing is that usually the color is much stronger, much more light blue, but since it's all frozen, this is the color from the surface. What a place! What a place! And look at here! I don't know. I feel like I'm in a dream right now.
This incredible travel came to an end. And such a beautiful scenery in Xinjiang. And I honestly recommend everyone to visit not only China, but specifically here, Xinjiang and Kashgare. Honestly, Carl has been such an incredible companion. It's really true that he's safe, elegant, stylish, and comfortable. And for me, these are the most important. And you know, I feel that everyone should really visit Xinjiang and Kashgare, especially the old town of Kashgare. And you know what they say? That you have never been to Kashgare, you have never been to Xinjiang. I've been to Xinjiang a few times, but I couldn't say that I've been there until now, the time in Kashgare. Can you see and witness this incredible mountain? Can we all appreciate the nature of this place? I'm speechless. This place, I think, is in the top 5 of the best places I've ever seen in my life. And I've seen many. I truly recommend everyone to come here. Welcome to Kashgare.